In the 1960s, George Gerbner and Larry Gross conducted a series of large-scale studies of the impact of violence in the media on the attitudes and behavior of the American public. Gerbner compared the authority of television to that of religion in terms of its scale and degree of influence, arguing that for modern society, television holds the same role that religion did long before its invention. By the way, originally the concept of propaganda was associated with the dissemination of religious information. The term propaganda, which literally means the things which are to be spread from Latin, originated in 1622 in the Roman Catholic Church's office responsible for spreading the faith, the Propaganda Fidei. Establishment of the Sacred Congregation for the Propagation of the Faith in 1622 demonstrated the importance of the papacy in the missionary movement. In the beginning, the word propaganda meant the spreading of religious teaching through in-depth familiarization with it. Since the 20th century, the word propaganda has become widely used. Today, it is associated with the dissemination of any information, facts, arguments, rumors, half-truths, or lies intended to influence public opinion. Propaganda in mass media is used to alter an individual's relationship with the world by means of information messages. In this regard, George Gerbner noted that violence on TV is greatly exaggerated compared to the actual situation in the real world. He noted that there are many examples of distorted reality in TV programs, for example. The most obvious example of distortion is the exaggerated crime rates. Half of the main characters on television shows are involved in acts of violence in one way or another. The scientists noted that such pressure and influence on public opinion would lead to an overestimation of the level of violence in society and an increased fear of becoming a victim of violence, as well as increased interpersonal distrust and the perception that the world is a mean, evil, and dangerous place, a condition dubbed mean world syndrome. Gerbner also highlighted the long-term effects of television viewing on viewers' perceptions of social reality. This also applies to social media, where prolonged engagement with platforms can shape users' perceptions of reality.